There's a green woodpecker. I knew it was a green woodpecker. Oh, bugger it. Now you might see him on film. Oh, he just went behind now. There he is. Or she. Really faster, rapid hammering. Oh, the battery's going to run out. There's a green woodpecker. Thinks I can't see him, but I can. Oh, you can see the red on his head. I'm on maximum zoom, so sorry if there's judder. Doing this by hand. Quite nicely marked on the head, that one. Maybe I've only been seeing younger ones. Wait, keep still. See if I can get close and get another movie. Oops. I'll switch this off.